well, I did it again. Bought another project. She's a little bit of a mess, you know. Common handlebar deal. Common plastic grips, some may call that. I call it
rock.
A rock would be a great example of that. Of course, high flow, you know, 1 to 2 centimeter airflow there, great. That lovely gummed up carburetor, great front tire,
Aligned,
even better rear tire. Lined up, just minty. Chain does not pop off after, you know, a foot or two. We got a rear brake that's engaged basically all the time. An exhaust, a custom center mounted exhaust.
Melted plastic onto it.
Oh yes, the seat took a seat on the exhaust. We got a lovely, great deal seat. A little bit of duct tape can't fix. Little zip ties. Join us in the journey, the boys.
May I add the light?
You know, this one here used to look just like that. She's a beast now, though.